Hi guys, in this video I will discuss about Conio.h. So the full form is the console input output. Conio.h header file is used to perform console input output, and this header file is mainly used by MS DOS compilers, Microsoft Disk Operating System compilers. So if you are writing the code in uh, Windows operating system at the disk operating compiler is there, so there's no any problems. Program will okay with by using Conio.h. But suppose if you're writing the C code in Linux and Unix operating system, so that will give the error because this header file does not support any libraries and it will give the error. So at here there are five function uh, that comes under Conio.h because that five functions the definition is written at Conio.h. So this five function is a system defined or predefined function. So this function is clear screen is used to clear the output screen, and getch that will take the character from the keyword, getch that will take the character from keyword and echoes the output screen. Text color, this function is used to change the text color. The text background, it is used to change the text background. Let's understand about that functions. So let's open Turbo DOSBox. So at here I already created one programs. There I'm using in has include Conio.h. So if you mark as a comment and compile that one, so you now I'm getting two error. The reason is that our killer screen and getch should have a prototype. That means our killer screen and getch definition written at already written at Conio.h header files, but Conio.header file is marked as a comment. So compiler does not understand the meaning of killer screen and getch, so that will gives the error. So if you mark as a uncomment and if you compile that one, no, that time it's okay, no error, because these times compiler understand the meaning of killer screen and getch functions. So if you first I'm going to uncomment that one, and now I'm running the programs. Enter number 8. Now again run 7. So look at there, that does not clear the screens. So if you use clear screen function, so that will clear the screens and that will terminate the previous whatever output window, that so that will clear that one. So now let's use clear screen. Now run 7. So look at the 7 odd number. Now again run the program. So look at there this time. So this times that is clear the screen. After that the message comes, enter the number 6. So that is used the user of clear screen. Now next is getch function. So if you mark as a comment and if you run the program, so after now I'm going to enter 8. So that is display, but at here the getch function that will use to take one character from the keywords. So if you mark as a comment, now let's execute. So 7. Now that is takes one times input from the keywords. I press enter, then after that is display 7 odd number. So this there are I'm using now. I just discussed two function clear screen and getch, a function that comes under conio.h, that is console input output. So if you use that function, so you have to declare the header files conio.h, because clear screen and getch text background and etc functions, the definition in is written at conio.h. So you must be use conio.h before you are going to write the programs related to clear screen and getch, etc. So it's done at here. Thank you.